In this video, I'm going to let you know the best types of AI tools for you on internet. So apart from ChatGPT, there are several different types of AI tools that is present and which are free for you. And you do not need to have or get a subscription as well. You can use it for free. So I'm going to list out some of the information as well as providing the information regarding the types of AI tool that's available on the platform. You just have to follow the steps. First thing, you just have to open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. The first of all, you could go with the TensorFlow. So on the search box, type in TensorFlow and press the link that is right on top, that is www.tensorflow.com. It is an open source machine learning framework developed by the Google itself. Now, TensorFlow is widely used for building and developing machine learning tools. Likewise, the key feature of it is extensive support for the deep learning, large community, and extensive documentation, support for deployment on various platforms such as cloud, on-premises, mobile, etc. You could also use as an image recognition, natural language processing, time series analysis, and all that. If you want to get to know more information about the following AI tool, you could go to the official page just like this, and from here you could go and read all of these information. Likewise, if you wish to go ahead and install or create your account, press the install TensorFlow, and when you actually press on it, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and create your account and register for it. Then you can explore all of that. You also have these features right on top. You can see these are some of the features and all of it. Now, having said this, let's move on to the next one. You open up a new tab, and on the web address bar, type in the other field, that is Kersa. So Kersa is the spelling. I'm gonna leave the link as well. So when you open up this link or type in the word, then you can see this option as www.kersa.io. This is the first link or the official link. Go and press on it. Now, moving on with its features and description, it is a high-level neural network API written in Python and capable of running on tools of TensorFlow, Tenos, or CNTK. To know about its key feature, it is user-friendly and modular. It supports easy and fast prototyping, runs seamlessly on both CPU and in GPU. And it is also rapid prototyping of deep learning model. And to get to know more about it, you could go and press the Get Started button and start with the information. So as you can see, there is a description regarding the following application or following tool. You could go through it, read all of these information before you begin with the procedure, and only then you could create your account and explore the app. If you head back to the same page, you have this option as API docs, guide, examples. You could go and explore each one of it and then read accordingly. So this was another AI tool app. Moving on to the next step is Scikit-learn. So type in SCIKIT thing. You can see there's a link that is scikit-learn.org. This is the another tool. You could go and explore all of these information likewise. It is a free software machine learning library for Python that provides simple and effective tools for data analysis and modeling. So its key feature is that it is user-friendly and modular, support easy and fast prototyping as well. Right over here, you could go and explore all of these information accordingly and find out about the qualities, benefits, all of that. Now, PyTorch, type in PyTorch, and this is another AI tool. So here you have the link that is pytorch.org. So this is another type of AI tool. This is an open source machine learning library based on a Torch library used for applications such as computer vision and natural learning process. So the key elements of these particular application or a tool is that dynamic compilation, graphics, strong support for GPU accelerations, widely used in both research and productivity. And research project, it is also used in cases of research project, building and training neural network. And to know more about it, you could go and explore the following website, and here you should be able to find different types of versions and all of that. You'd go through it and get to know about the application. Now, on the other field, you have Hugging Face Transformer. So type in Hugging Face Transformer. The link is huggingface.co. And that is going to take you to the official page. So this is how it's going to look like. So it is a library developed by Hugging Face, offered pre-trained models and tools for natural language processing. Its key element is that it can access to thousands of pre-trained model, easy to use API for NPL tasks like test classifications, question answers, and translation as well. It can also integrate with the TensorFlow and PyTorch at the same time. It is used in many cases like natural language understanding, conversational AI, and many more. On the website as well, you could go in and make sure to read all of these, and if you wish to go and create your account, press the sign up button and you can start creating your account and explore the application. Now, other fields, open up a browser, type in Google Colab. You could go and press on the first link, that is colab.research.google.docs. So it is a free cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment that supports Python, allowing you to write with the executive code in an interactive, collaborative manner. Now, it is a free access to GPU as well as TPU. Now, pre-install popular machine learning libraries, easy sharing and collaborations. It could also educate purpose by prototyping and developing machine learning models. And to know more about it, you could go through it and accordingly access all of these information. And last but not the least, it might be a RapidMiner. Now, it is described as an open source data science platform for data preparation, machine learning, and deep learning text mining and predictive analysis as well. So on the web address bar, type in RapidMiner. This is how it's going to look like. So press on the first link that appears on the search list, and here you can see this is how it's going to look like. It has a key feature as visual workflow design, extensive library of machine learning algorithms, interaction with various data source, and it is also used in data process, predictive analytic, model developed, and all of that. So these type of tools provide a robust starting point for anyone divided into the AI and machine learning, catering to various need data process, analyzing to modeling, training, and development. So by following the steps, you could go through and explore each one of it and use the one that fits your suit. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.